Passion-Driven Statistics is a project-based, introductory curriculum implemented as a statistics course, a research methods course, a data science course, a capstone experience, and a summer research boot camp with students from a wide variety of academic settings. Funded by the National Science Foundation, the curriculum engages students in authentic projects with large real-world datasets. Liberal arts colleges, large state universities, regional colleges and universities, community colleges, and high schools have all successfully implemented this model.
I wanted to really focus on a lack that I saw in my students, which is they could memorize things, but they were really anxious and they didn't know how to use it. And my goal as a psychologist was to get them to be scientists and be really good at that. And what I loved about the passion-driven statistic is that it focused on the whole scientific process. They got into coding, building variables. They got to the end and then they realized I could have measured this better, and they redid all their variables. But because they had worked on it in syntax, they felt really confident about doing that.
Go beyond teaching them statistics, but adding some critical thinking skills.
It's teaching students the skills they need to research something that they're really passionate about.
I like coaching students instead of lecturing to students. This just gave me a chance to be a coach.
As an instructor, I'm thinking, I'm teaching analytics, I'm teaching statistics, and I'm teaching them to code. But that's not how the students see it. The students perceive it as, I'm really researching something that's very interesting to me. None of my students had had any sort of programming or analytics before they hit my class. Very easy for students to learn and feel confident about what they've done.
It worked really, really well. Introduce themselves to each other, exchange phone numbers, and so they would do the homework together.
Have fewer students per live session.
We'll meet with every student for 15 minutes 3 times a semester.
The students who might not have spoken up before are now going to have fewer students in the room. They're going to be more comfortable.
I would lecture and I'd say, go work. And I left my Zoom link open. They could pop in and out. As a new instructor, I think this is the easiest thing to adopt, actually not the hardest.